how to remove participant from group on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove participant from group on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and go to your group like this one here and click on group profile in the top and scroll down until you find like this one here. Just click on it and here you will find this one, remove. Just click on it and then click OK, and as you see, participants have been removed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.